welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to make a salmon fish with mango salad. Okay, let's get started. To make a salmon, I'm going to need lemon, ginger, salt, black pepper, and 24 herbs, spices, and seasoning. To make this, first I'm gonna cut my lemon, and I am going to squeeze the juice. To grind the ginger, just like this, just like 1 tablespoon ginger paste, and I'm going to add some salt and my seasoning herbs. I'm going to add some cooking oil. You can use any oil your choice, vegetable oil or olive oil. Okay. Mix all this together. And I'm going to add some black pepper. One teaspoon black pepper. So in here, I have 3 pieces of salmon. I'm gonna marinate my salmon here. Just dip it like this. As you see. And I'm gonna leave it here to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Cover with my plastic to leave a marinade. Okay, set aside. After 30 minutes, I'm going to cook my salmon. Okay, let's check the fish. So the rest of the juice, just add it to the fish. Now we are going to work with mango salad. So to make this mango salad, I need mango, I need 1 avocado, 1 onion, 1 lemon, 2 little tomatoes, and 3 leaves of Romaine salad, salt to taste, ground black pepper, and cilantro, and some olive oil or any oil of your choice. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to cut my tomatoes. Okay, and after you cut your tomato, place it in a bowl. Now I'm gonna cut our onion. Just a small onion. Okay. Chop your onion. Okay, place your onion in a bowl. Now we're going to cut our mango. Cut the other side. Now, Sam, place your mango in a bowl. More mango. Now we're gonna cut our Romaine salad. We have only 3 leaves. Avocado. So you just cut it like this, and like this, and like this. Same thing the other side, you do the same. With your spoon, just go like this and place it in a bowl. So now you get your cilantro, chop cilantro. Place it in a bowl. Add some salt. Squeeze some lemon juice. And use 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm going to use my 24 seasoning herb. You can use any herb of your choice too. And the black pepper. Okay, and let's toast. we'll continue to add this. The marinade, left marinade. Okay, here our salmon. Okay, here our salmon we cooked earlier. So this is our salmon with the mango salad. So thanks for watching. If you love this video, give thumbs up, share, leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please just hit the subscribe button and the bell. So each time I upload my video, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.